To prove the nice inequality, let's consider the left side. The first term equals 1, but the second term less than 1 over 1 times 2. The third term less than 1 over 2 times 3. We can write one more term. 1 over 4 squared would be less than 1 over 3 times 4. So the last term would be less than 1 over 99 times 100. That means the left-hand side less than that expression. Now let's manipulate the resulting expression. The first term 1, but we can break the second term as the difference of two fractions, which is 1 over 1 minus 1 over 2. The next term is 1 over 2 minus 1 over 3, right? The next term, 1 over 3 minus 1 over 4. Continue this way. The last term would be 1 over 99 minus 1 over 100. You see, we can cancel all these terms except the first two terms and the last term. So we get 1 plus 1 equals 2 minus 1 over 100, which is less than 2.